Namaste. Friends, we are going to discuss today the most fundamental problems of our students which are being faced by them, not only by them, but by their parents as well. And I have listed down 6 most fundamental problems being faced by our students today. The first problem is we observe that till 10th standard, our students learn in very protected environment. Tuition class, school and home, and it's a very protected environment, very disciplined environment wherein these students go and study, and then they come out with bright results like 80%, 90% marks and A grade, A plus grade, so on and so forth. But after that, when they go to junior college and senior college, we observe that their academic performance deteriorates. Why it deteriorates? Because they are not enough charged. There is not enough motivation behind them as to why they should study honestly and sincerely in subsequent years. So that is the first problem, that their charge or their level of motivation is not maintained the way it was maintained when they are in the 10th standard. That is the first thing. The second thing is the problem of underemployment and unemployment. India is the youngest country on this earth today. But then simultaneously, the most number of underemployed and unemployed youths you will see in India only. Why? We have to understand this problem. We have to solve this problem because this is one of the very chronic critical problems being faced by India today. So how we can avoid underemployment and unemployment? That problem we need to solve, and we can solve that problem through proper career planning and through using proper career management techniques. Then the third problem being experienced by our students is that the dilemma about career decisions. There is a lot of dilemma amongst the parents as well as the students as to which course they should go for. There are plenty of opportunities available in today's modern world, but we really don't know which option we should exercise. The father says something, the uncle says something, the elder brother, elder sister says something, and the child really wants to do something else. But it's unfortunately that child is unable to justify his decision. That is the problem because of the age and the maturity level. That is how the society looks at that particular child. So whenever the child voices his or her interest, the surrounding forces, they suppress that voice. And unfortunately that child is unable to convince the parents. And we have brought these kind of techniques through our career management and training and research center, wherein these problems can be solved effectively with our techniques of various tests which we conduct, the various kinds of counseling what we do, and then we address to these kind of fundamental problems. So we clear the dilemma in the minds of parents as well as in the mind of student. Then the next fourth problem we observe is that the increased stress level of our students. It's pretty obvious that if you take a decision with confused mind, you are likely to take the wrong decision. And once you start living with the wrong decision, whatever you have made in your career, your stress level is obviously go up. It will go up. It will be very difficult for you to manage your stresses. Fifth problem what we see is that there is no long-term career planning thinking at the time of decision making. See, I tell you that in 21st century, your career planning should begin once you pass 10th standard. Rather, when you are in 10th standard, you must start thinking seriously about how you are going to mold your career. Because if you say after graduation I will design or I will develop my career, it's gross mistake on your part. I see so many students nowadays, senior college students who are passed out, who have done even engineering. They repent, they regret today because they have not given enough thought as to how to plan the career. So sooner the better. If you are in 10th, start planning career right from 10th onwards. If you are in 12th, that is again, it's not late. If you are in the first year of any graduation program, still it is not late, I am telling you. But then you should know the technique of how to plan it properly. So once you are able to do the proper career planning, it will save your energy, it will save your time, and it will ultimately save your money. Because today we see a lot of children, they continue to do studies till they are 26, 27, 28. They have not yet begun with their career. When they are going to start earning? And all these mistakes happen because of improper thinking, improper planning, not adequate knowledge about career management. And the sixth problem our students face is that they lack focus on creativity and innovativeness. You see, in developed nations, majority of the students are creative and innovative. You see, a lot of patents are filed. In which countries? In developed countries, not in India. So why this is happening? It's because they perform a lot of career management solutions and techniques they implement on their children right from the 10th standard onwards. Even before 10th standard, in fact, they start. At least I am recommending that we should start in India from 10th onwards. So that is how they conduct their interest audit test and various psychometric tests and career tests. In our country, we really do not perform these kind of tests. Very few enlightened parents, they take their children for these kind of tests. So unless we do that, our children will not become innovative and creative. So these 6 problems, just to sum up, that our children are not charged, not motivated throughout their graduation programs. Underemployment and unemployment problem is there. Dilemma about making career choices. Increased stress level of the students. Long-term career planning is absent. That's why a lot of number of years are spent in just learning, and there is no focus on creativity and innovation. And in my next clip, I'll be discussing with you the solution, how we can solve this particular problem of our students today. So I request you to subscribe our channel or press the like button, or you can send your comments also. We will definitely respond to your comments. Thank you very much.